In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WeChat account. So the first thing that you want to do here is just install WeChat on your phone. Once you've done that, go ahead and press the WeChat application. So from here, you want to sign up. Just click on the sign up button. And you could either sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook. But for this example, we'll be signing up as a mobile. From here, you just want to state your information that includes your name, the country, region, the phone number, and your password. So let's just enter those details. So once you've entered your details, just make sure that you put a check on the I have read and accept the terms for WeChat. So once you've done that, go ahead and click the accept and continue. A new window will appear. Just read the privacy policy, and once you've done that, just click on the I have read and accept the above terms, and just click on next. So from here, you'll be asked for the security verification. So let's start it with the security verification. And from here, you want to slide down the missing piece of that image to the correct position. And once you've done that, that should automatically load. So this is the last part that we need to do for WeChat, which is to ask for a friend to scan the following QR code using WeChat. So there's a few conditions for you to complete your registration. So the person that's actually gonna verify you on WeChat should be signed up for WeChat over 1 month ago if they are an international user, or over 6 months ago if they are a Chinese mainland user. So the second condition is hasn't completed the help friend registration for other users in the past month, or and hasn't been blocked in the past month. And lastly, has activated WeChat Pay if they are a Chinese mainland user. So that's a few options or conditions your friend should have before you can proceed with using a WeChat. So if you're unable to scan, you have other options here. So you can contact a WeChat users by call, text, or other a method outside WeChat who meets the following conditions. And from there, there's instructions here that to use the WeChat team in help friend registration, and just ask them to enter your mobile number on their help a friend. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.